The following message is being transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Greensboro, Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for the following counties or areas: Mecklenburg County and Union County in North Carolina until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a strong line of thunderstorms, high winds, and dime-sized hail along with a cold front from the west moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Storm watchers have confirmed that a tornado has touched down on the east section of Interstate 485. Tornadoes may arrive quickly with no warning. Signs of an imminent tornado include swirling clouds in the sky, hail, or a roar similar to that of a train. Tornadoes often come with whirling debris. Debris, at high enough speeds, can strike and kill. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. To prepare for a possible tornado in your area, the following actions are recommended. Bring a supply of food, water, and a battery-powered radio to the lowest and centermost portion of your home, preferably without any windows. If you are outside, move to a wide open area, such as a field, lie down, and brace yourself. If you are currently driving, look for a sturdy temporary shelter, pull over, get out, and enter your shelter. If no shelter is present, look for a wide open area. If trapped, emergency phone lines may be inoperative. Emergency services will monitor the area as best as they can in order to aid any civilians in the midst of the storm. Take cover in your shelter now.